In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image rectangular in Excel. If you've ever dropped a photo into a worksheet and needed just the clean rectangular portion, this quick walkthrough is for you. Excel's built-in cropping tool makes it simple, and by default, it trims in a rectangle, so you don't need any special shapes or add-ins. Start by selecting the picture you want to edit. Click directly on the image, so you see a clear outline with small circles or squares around the edges. When the image is truly selected, Excel reveals the Picture Format tab on the ribbon at the top. That tab is your sign you're working with the picture itself and not a cell. If you don't see Picture Format, click the image again, or make sure you didn't accidentally select a chart or a shape behind it. Zooming in slightly can also help you click precisely on the photo. With the image selected, look up to the Picture Format tab and locate the crop control. You'll notice a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open the crop options and enter crop mode. Excel's crop is rectangular by default, so you'll see dark crop handles appear on the sides and corners of your picture, and the dimmed areas indicate what will be trimmed away. This is the simplest way to frame exactly the portion you want to keep while maintaining a clean rectangle. As you're in crop mode, a few practical tips make the result neater. Use the side handles if you only want to trim from one edge, or the corner handles if you want to adjust both width and height together. Watch the image content while you drag so important parts aren't cut off. If you need to nudge the picture within the rectangle, hover over the image until you see the move cursor and drag the photo slightly. This lets you fine-tune the composition without changing the rectangular frame. Zoom in to 150% or 200% for precise edges, especially around text or logos. When the rectangle looks right, simply click anywhere outside the picture area on your worksheet to apply the crop. Excel commits the change and keeps only the visible rectangular portion. If you change your mind while adjusting, pressing ESC will exit without applying the trim. A quick note for peace of mind. Excel's crop is non-destructive, which means it hides the trimmed edges rather than permanently erasing them. You can always reselect the image and return to crop mode to refine the rectangle later. That's all there is to it. Select the image, click the arrow next to crop, and use the on-screen handles to get a clean rectangular result.